Good evening, I'm Holden Abshier. Hoosiers waiting on their $125 taxpayer refund should start to receive them this week after a paper shortage delayed the process. Those checks will also include an additional $200 per taxpayer given the recent inflation relief package. Now, in an effort to combat scams, the state is telling Hoosiers to ignore any texts, emails, or phone calls related to the refunds. More than 7,500 IU students have started to move into residence halls, and an additional 3,000 students will move into Greek housing throughout the week. Move-in will be more like years preceding the pandemic, with fewer COVID-19 safeguards in place. There will be no arrival COVID-19 testing, although all non-exempt students and staff are still required to be vaccinated. Friends and family accompanying students will be required to wait outside residence halls. The Governor's Public Health Commission earlier this month recommended spending $240 million to improve Indiana's public health system. The commission recommends more school nurses and trained emergency medical services personnel.
How quickly they get to you, how trained they are to stabilize you and get you to a hospital that may be a trauma hospital, maybe just a hospital prepared to stabilize you, to get you to a trauma hospital, makes a difference between your life and your death.
Commission members also emphasized that public health can be improved if all levels of the system connect with elected officials. Now for a quick look at the weather. Tonight, partly cloudy with a low of 61 degrees. Looking ahead at the 5-day forecast, partly sunny with a high of 80 degrees tomorrow, high of 81 on Wednesday, sun continuing through Friday with a chance of storms on Saturday. For more local news, go to WTIUnews.org and catch Indiana News Desk Fridays at 6. Have a good night.